From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
Mostly clear skies as we head through the rest of the overnight toward Wednesday morning. Just a few clouds around possible, especially toward daybreak. Morning lows getting down to the low to mid 70s for most of us, although there definitely could be a couple of sheltered valley locations in the upper 60s. Headed once again for the low to mid 90s as we head into our Wednesday afternoon. Here's the Futurecast breakdown for tonight. Mostly clear out there. A few clouds working in toward daybreak. Again, most of us in the low to mid 70s, but one or two locations could get down into the upper 60s. And then partly cloudy skies here for our Wednesday. Daytime highs generally into the lower half of the 90s. Heat index values getting near those lower triple digits as we head into the afternoon. Falling back into the lower 70s and maybe the upper 60s for a few folks as we head into our late Wednesday night and early Thursday morning. Partly cloudy once again here for our Thursday with daytime highs into the lower half of the 90s. More of the same for Friday, but maybe a few more clouds Friday. And then this cold front moves into the area later in the day on Friday. Some gusty north winds as high as 15 to 20 miles per hour Friday afternoon into Friday evening. Then that ushers in a change to a slightly cooler air mass in time for the weekend here with northerly winds and drier air filtering in. Check this out. We go from the low to mid 90s from tomorrow through Friday to the mid to upper 80s. It's not a huge change, nothing earth shattering or anything, but down to the mid to upper 80s for daytime highs over the weekend. It's the morning lows that get our attention with the drier air in place that allows us to cool more efficiently overnight. Lower 60s, if not upper 50s, as we head into the weekend, especially by Sunday morning and Monday morning here. I do think there will be some upper 50s across southern middle Tennessee, and that may extend down into far northwest Alabama as well, and gradually moderating back to the low to mid 90s as we head into the middle part of next week. And rain chances also gradually return by the time as well, dropping out of the 80s into the 70s overnight. Most of us into the low to mid 70s by daybreak. And then partly cloudy to mostly sunny for your Wednesday. Daytime highs into the lower half of the 90s for most of us. More of the same for Thursday and Friday. And then with mostly sunny skies, drier air and northerly winds, we're into the mid to upper 80s for the weekend here for daytime highs. Morning lows in the 60s, if not upper 50s by our Sunday morning here. And then a few showers or thunder showers start working back into the area as we get into the first half in the middle of next week. There's look to your latest 7-day forecast. Ben Luna's in the Weather Center tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. with your Wake Up Weather Forecast.